Hi, I'm Liz Cantor. Join me and my husband Ryan, sons Kit and Finn, and of course Bear, as we take on our first ever KnockDown ReBuild. Coming up on KnockDown ReBuild, despite COVID restrictions, the scaffold has dropped and we're at enclosed stage. Crap, I'm running late again, dressed in my best again. That man thinks I'm completely weirded talking to myself. On my way into Metricon, meeting Ryan. We've got to choose a new sink because coronavirus is affecting our build. Apparently there's a little bit of a delay or issue with some of the products being made now and a bit of a backlog because factories have slowed up. So we are popping back into Studio M.
So what we've got here is coronavirus has reared its head in the building industry once again. Unfortunately, the basins couldn't come in time. They weren't due till June. So the shipment was delayed. So we asked the owners, Liz and Ryan, to do a reselection, which they did. Chosen these vessel basins. We had a small problem with the mixers and the height. Unfortunately, the mixer was hitting the back of the basin. A couple of tiles later, a couple of hours later, we had the problem fixed.
Oh, that's okay, I'll pick it up in a second. Oh, jeez.
I was 11 pounds.
Yuck. That's disgusting.
Solid.
Okay, so what we're thinking for this outside yard area. Yep, sliding gate, and then we'll throw the frangipani in the corner here to kind of.
You know the gate will slide past.
Yeah.
Can that work?
Yeah.
Okay.
You're just gonna have to have a footing that will run through the gatehouse.
Okay.
Because it's gonna have to run on a track.
Okay.
We do your tile, we turn
Yep.
it into the coping.
Yep.
And then it's seamless from pool
Well,
to
we'll
your
just do
outdoor
that.
area.
Yeah, we'll just tell him that.
Because you don't want two different.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it'd look weird.
Yeah.
It just wouldn't match up.
But it does match the driveway well. I'm not a big fan of grates.
Yeah,
I think
I think that's
prefer
why
like
we went.
the
Yeah.
earthy colours. So I guess.
Not built for a tradie work.
So you're own.
So if we can kind of get as much of this area as like a deck chair sitting area, that would be great.
Yeah.
Sorry, Finn.
Yeah, so Liz gets pretty flustered when there's a heap of information just chucked at her all at once, and she tries to process it. Obviously, from our backgrounds, you know, we've never built a house before, we've never renovated, we have no idea what we're doing. So with 6 different people throwing information at us with certain things we should do between tiling and the pool and design and landscaping, I think she was getting a bit overwhelmed.
That white squared tile band.
That's like what a tile band looks around the perimeter.
Which
Inside the pool.
Oh yeah. Oh,
Yeah.
cool.
It's,
See, you know how to speak my language. We've been working together.
Show me a picture.
I guess that's why we're lucky to have, you know, a great site supervisor like Adam who can break things down for us and just give us those step-by-step pieces for that ease of mind.
Come on,
Yeah,
Finn,
here you
this
go,
is your
mate.
moment. Oh. Good boy. Up and down. Up and down. And here.
that's pretty cool. I'll send you
What a
those
lovely
photos.
memory. Next time on KnockDown ReBuild, we can finally share with you the finished product as we get given the keys to our new Metricon home.